Hello friends, so in this video I will talk about how you can check the version compatibility. So like if you want to check like this package is compatible with this or not. So I will give you a brief on this. So let's start what I'm talking about. So suppose you want to install Angular material and you want to know what dependency it need, so it will give us the PL dependencies what we need to install this material. So here we just need to do like use a tool like npm ls npm for to check the version compatibility. So here we just need to pass the version package name of that, and we can easily find out what are the PL dependencies of that. So this is short video on it, so later I will give you proper demo on like uh, how what info it will show. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.